So we also look at the final aspect of the loss deduction. We have what is called cast. This is my Cartesian plane. I'll indicate it well. Just using a freehand. So everything here is, this section is X, Y, change the ink. Okay. So I'm just ruling the line to make it more visible. Good. So I've gotten my X and Y here. Good. Now, over here, we also have gotten negative Y, and the arrow here indicates negative X. So this is the movement. Unlike normal rotation, which would have started on the Y-axis, in trigonometry, the movement starts with the X-axis. So we go anti-clockwise dimension according to what is perceived. Because I'm facing the board like this. So if I'm going this way, it's perceived that I'm going anti. Anti means going against. So I'm going against clock. Clock goes this way, but I'm going in the different dimension. So we said at this point, all the ratios, what are the ratios? All the ratios are positive. What are the ratios? The ratios are the SHS, cos theta, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. So when you say all positive, it means that over here, because I've gotten X to be positive and Y to be positive, all the ratios at this quadrant is positive. When I come here, only sine is positive. Sine is positive. And at this point, we've gotten X to be negative. X is negative and Y positive. So the range, we will look at the range that will contain this. Good. Then when I come to this place, only tangent is positive. Only tangent, tan positive, tan positive. Now this quadrant, both X is negative and Y also negative in this quadrant. Then when you come to this section, cosine or cos is positive. Means that at this quadrant, X is positive and Y is negative. So the term cast, C here means only cos positive. A here means all are positive. S here means only sine is positive. And T here means only T positive. That is what we call the cast. But in the movement, this place starts with 0 degrees. 0 degrees is also the same as 360 degrees. That is the movement. So it's 0 or 360 degrees. Now when I move, every quadrant is 90 degrees. So I move here, this place is 90 degrees when I move. This section is 180 degrees. Let me reduce my line so that I can write my 180 within. Change the ink. So here is 180 degrees. So in 180 degrees, we have gotten the top, sine is positive, down, tan is positive. Then when we come here, it is 270 degrees. So we move anti-clockwise and we complete. That is a complete circle, and these are the path. So when questions are being given, you will be given the angle, so you must know where you are supposed to work within. We will start by trying one or two questions, and when questions are being given, you will be given some forms. For instance, if you hear where the angle, let's say theta, is acute, anytime you hear acute angle, the range is always between 0 degrees. 0 degrees is less than the theta, and theta is also less than 90 degrees, because 90 degrees is a quadrant. Then that means at this instance, all the ratios are positive. When you hear obtuse, obtuse, where theta or alpha, change this thing, let's say alpha is obtuse, then what it means is that in that quadrant, 90 degrees is less than, let me make it that way, less than alpha, and alpha is less than or equals to, put through, 180 degrees. It means that the endpoints are inclusive. That is obtuse angle. Then, when here the angle, let's say beta, is reflex. Basically, we hardly give questions on reflex dimension, but it can be given. So when here reflex, then it means that 180 degrees is less than or equals to beta, and beta is less than or equals to 270 degrees. So that is the range of the reflex angle. Then the last one will be the complete circle. So when questions are being given, we always have to look out for these. If they are not being called, the range of the angles will be given. So when the range of the angles is being given, I'm moving anti-clockwise. This place is 90. So if I'm being told an angle which is more than 90, it means that I will come here. If it is more than 180, I will come here. It's more than 270, I will come here. Then I'll follow the laws and work. Let us try one or two examples.